I'm trying to keep the blog as simple as possible. So I'm going to include minimal items or minimal features for this blog. Now, since we have the cards, I'm going to keep it that way. And the final part which I'm going to add is the copyright sections. It's going to more like a footer option. Okay, so let's get back to our code here. And in the index.html, now right before the model, so I'm going to add this over here. I'm going to call this as footer. Okay, and inside this will say section dot footer. Actually, we can directly call this as footer. So I'm going to call this as footer dot main footer. Okay, and let's add a div dot container, the div dot row, say div dot call lg12. Now I'm gonna align it to center, so it really doesn't matter. I'm gonna say div dot copy, say text center, and inside this I'm gonna add a paragraph tag with a small tag. I'm gonna call this as copyright ampersand copy 2020 all rights reserved. Okay, save this. Okay, so let's just check that out in browser. So I'm gonna get to the browser. Let's hit refresh. Okay, so now you can see that we have copyright 2020 all rights reserved. Okay, so I think if I put this in a kind of like a black bar, that's gonna look much better. So let's inspect this, and this is my main footer over here. So I'm going to create a new class. See padding top, I'm gonna set it to 25 pixels. See padding bottom, I'm gonna set it to 25 pixels. The color is gonna be white, and the background color I'm gonna set it to black. Okay, that looks much better now. And I can see that there is more spacing. That's because of the paragraph tag. Paragraph tag has some margin, so I'm gonna get rid of that one too pretty soon. Just copy this and paste it in my style.css, and here I'm just going to paste it again, but this time I'm going to use the paragraph tag. Now call this as margin as 0 pixel. Save that. Let's get back over here. Let's hit refresh. Okay, so now we don't have that extra spacing and our blog looks pretty good. Okay, so in the next class we're going to see some of the more pages which we can create for our blog.